If you're experiencing a video buffer error while using Udacity's NanoDegree program, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause buffering issues. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help resolve playback issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data and select cached images and files. Restart the browser after clearing the cache. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with video playback. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers, and see if that resolves the buffering issue. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, try accessing the Udacity platform using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the video buffer error and continue your learning without interruptions. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Udacity support for further assistance.